Hello everyone. Have you heard this quote before? Keep calm and live your dreams. Don't you think it's very beautiful to hear it? And have you ever imagined how it will be beautiful for your eyes as well? No, right? So let me show you how it will be beautiful for your eyes as well. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. Champaklal Chokse, Chemanlal Chokse and Suryakant Dani Arvind. They are the founders of this Asian Paints and they are the Indian paint manufacturing firm established since 1942. It has over 70 plus years of existence, become the leading paint company in India. Apart from the superior quality of paints, they are known for winning the nation's heart with the colorful and quirky advertisements. Their marketing strategy has been the key differentiator that has made the company as successful as it is today. Asian Paint Company is the third largest company in India and it operates 19 countries and has different subsidiaries such as Berger Paints, Apco Paints, Skip Paints and PPG Asian Paints, Tubemans and Sleek Kitchens. It is India's leading paint group with an annual of 20,515.56 crores in the financial year of 2020. The company manufactures paints in the category of decorative, automotive and industrial segments. The company manufactures various accessories like wall premiers, wood premiers, putty, stainers, etc. Asian Paint's core product is decorative and industrial paint. Along that, the company offers solutions and services for home paintings. Instead of having one homogeneous target audience, the company uses differentiating targeting strategy to cater specific products to different segments of customers, like Asian Paints Royal targeted at the premier segment, Accolade, Tractor Emulsion and Tractor Distember targeted at the economy segment. Asian Paints also provides protective coatings, undercoats, premiers and putties. They provide complete painting solution including accessories and tools. Asian Paints follow the Royal product range which is marketed towards high income groups and its price is higher. It also follows a value-based pricing approach for a medium and economic segments. The pricing decisions are often influenced by the raw materials used to manufacture paints as well as competitors' price. The company's success can also be attributed to its high incentives for distributors. Over the years, Asian Paints has carried out various highly successful promotional activities. One of its most notable being the brand mascot Gat, a cartoon created by R.K. Lakshman in 1954 that went on to become a popular and recognized figure for more than 4 decades. The company's main focus is all about families emotionally connecting with the customers. Many famous public figures have been Asian Paints brand ambassadors, such as Akshay Khanna, Ranbir Kapoor, brother-sister duo Saif Ali Khan and Soh Ali Khan, with the most recent being Deepika Padukone. Asian Paints has operations around the world. They are carried out through a network of 5 regions worldwide. We are the Caribbean region, the Middle East region, South Pacific region, Southeast Asia and South Asia, with large resources spent on research and development centers. The organization targets all semi-urban, rural and urban areas. It launched an open door policy for dealers after entering the retail market and began a national marketing and distribution operations. It launched an open door policy for dealers after entering the retail market and began a national marketing and distribution operations. Asian Paints is a massive organization and faces competition from all sides. Asian Paints is the market leader with currently over almost 30% market share. Its biggest competitors are Berger Paints, Kansai Narolog, and Indigo Paints, Serica Paints, and Shalimar Paints. And Asian Paints' competitive advantage is its distribution strength. The company's standout feature is its range of exclusive signature stores, providing consumers with expert assistance from trained professionals offering customized furnishing and decoration solution. The customers can directly call the company's helpline to check out the product offering and get a direct quote. Asian Paints has unveiled its new brand identity and logo, reflecting a more meaningful and personalized engagement. The company also launched the first branded home painting service under the brand name Asian Paints Home Solutions in the Color Inspiration Concept Store. Amit Singhal, the Vice President, Sales and Marketing, Asian Paints said, "The change in our brand identity signifies our intent to establish a deeper connect with our customers. A new logo conveys those elements with the flowing ribbon formation that creates the app design." The new logo was unveiled by actress Soali Khan. The new identity and logo is expected to be rolled out at 5,277 retail stores next month. Asian Paints have 30% of shares with them. They are the painting company to have that much of shares in NSE, and their investment is very high. The paints are starts with 150 onwards just for 1 liter of paint. That's really cool, isn't it? Don't you think having a beautiful house with the beautiful paint in your house, it will look really great and grand, right? There are a lot of people who will be having this imagination or who will be having that kind of house with that beautiful paints on your walls, right? Isn't it beautiful to see it? See, I told you, right? The coat will be really beautiful for ears and as well as for your eyes. I proved you right. That's it for today's video, guys. So please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you.